George R.R. Martin. Versus J.R.R. Tolkien. Begin. Brace yourself. Gather up your trolls and your soldier elves, and your ents and your orcs and your wargs and your stings, your dwarves and clamdrings. Cause there's a new literary lord in the ring. My readers fall in love with every character I've written, then I kill them. And they're like, oh, he did. All your bad guys die, your good guys survive. We can tell what's gonna happen a page in age 5. You're all seeing how to find some sex in your movie. Yeah. Ditch the Goonie and cast a couple boobies. There's engineer plots and not David the Gnome. Your Hobbit hole heroes can't handle my throne. Kings, queens, dragons, dwarves, horses, fortresses, magic and swords. You hot-bit my whole shit, you uninspired hack. You want a war, George? Welcome to Shire Rock. In book sales you got nothing to say. I'm number 1 and 2, you're under 50 shades of gray. I got the pros of a pro, your shit's subpar. You're a pirate, you even stole my R.O. We all know the world is full of chance and anarchy. So yes, it's true to life for characters that die randomly. But newsflash, the genre's called fantasy. It's meant to be unrealistic, you myopic vanity. I conscientiously object to what you're doing on these beasts. I'll cut you like my teeth on Beauty and the Beast. You went too deep, Professor Tweed Pants. We don't need the backstory on every fucking tree branch. I cut my teeth in the trenches of the Somme. You lopped your Santa Claus ass through Vietnam. And it's hard for me to take criticism on clothes from a dude who sends a raven to say hi to his toes. Man, your fat jokes are worse than your pipe smoke. My show's the hottest thing on HBO. I'm rock and roll, you're a nerdy little nebbish, and I may be dirty, but you got a hairy foot fetish, dog. Even the names of your characters suck. Got buffers and bofers and brandy bucks. I got a second breakfast for all them goofy fucks. Lift up my gut and teabagging's my nuts. C.S. Lewis and I were just discussing how you and Jon Snow both know nothing. Because the backstory on my box office is billions. Got my children making millions off my Silmarillions, and I'm